So Peter here, Pacific Trading Post. I thought I wasn't going to do very well today. I went out looking for some cement, and but I found my bag of cement, and they just at the friendly store here, and 80 V&D for I think probably a 25 or maybe it's a 40 kilo bag. It's pretty bloody heavy, but 80 V&D, so $5. And because I stopped on the side of the road, I got a new friend. How are you? Xin chào. So yeah, it's all fun in Vietnam, but see how misty it is. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're gonna get driving home now. And hello. Nhà cô anh here, nhà cô tôi here working done.
Nào đi bên này, đi bên này được.
More here. Good. Go this way. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay. So I'll see you later. Bye bye. I don't know whether I'm gonna drive down the road very well with the camera, but in my hand, but we'll see. There we go. Alright, so I can drive with the camera and a bag of cement on the back. If you like the Wild West, Vietnam's a little bit like that still. Now I've just got to find my street along here. All the locals are going, why is a white bloke want to buy a bag of cement? Drive around with it. But anyway, so this is for my little project that I'm experimenting with the aerocrine. So I don't have Portland cement here. I've got whatever the Vietnamese brand is. So hopefully that'll be good enough for us to put on and see how good it goes. I've got the cement now I need the buckets and some mixing equipment, which I found out that if I just get some fly screen and that and put it on a drill, I should be able to mix it up and foam it without building a special foamerator, foamizer, all of the gimmicks to make those at the moment. But I just want to make a few small batches, so I reckon a drill will probably do the job for me, just to test a few things, test a few ideas out. That's about what I'm up to today. Yesterday I fixed the washing machine water problem, and today I'm out buying concrete to muck around with experiments for aerocrete. So there's a whole bunch of bags right there. Tell you what makes a motorbike harder to balance. Anyway, it's like I've got a sack of cement on the back. But alright. Like, comments on the drive share. I'm back home now, so this is my street. So everything's pretty close here. Yeah. And I love how when you want to buy something, you just hop on your motorbike, you ride straight into the shop, they put it on the bike, and then you ride home. Like, there's no walking anywhere. Like I swear I do more walking in Australia when I park at Bunnings and walk all the way in to grab a bag of cement like this, and then walk all the way back out. But anyway, stop. Okay, there we go. Alright, yeah. There you go. And that's my misty view. This is about, actually, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's quite interesting, Vietnam, with the different things like this. I mean, I come from Australia. We don't have 4 o'clock in the afternoon hazes. This isn't a haze. This is like a fog. But a 4 o'clock in the afternoon fog, we definitely don't have that. Anyway, all right. See you later. Bye.